Okay, I wish I could have filmed this while I did it, but I couldn't do it and film at the same time. So, this windshield wiper arm was spinning and this part inside was stripped. So this was still going, but the wiper wouldn't go nowhere, the wiper blade. And so what I did is I pulled it off, and that would be the arm. Right? So I pulled it off, and that popped out, and then this is what you see, but it doesn't have this little scar in it. It actually has lines going down like this. And this is the rubber boot, and then this is the nut, which is it's in here under the rubber boot. I just didn't put the rubber boot over it. But what I did is, since these have lines going down like this, and then here there's grooves going down and they match the lines on here, they were all stripped. So I got a little Dremel and went and drilled down that a bit, and then on the inside here did the same thing like that. It drilled, I just filed that down, and then I got a little piece of metal. I put those back together, put that back in there. I slid the piece of metal down in here and down in the groove, but the grooves have to match up, so you have to, if you're going to do it, you got to stop your windshield wipers, mark where the grooves go on both the shaft and the inner sleeve. You mark those same spots and you file those both down. When you put it together, you shove that little metal piece in through here, you tap it down a bit, and then I just put, that's the bolt on the top. I just put a lock washer underneath it, tightened it down, and now it's snug. And I would say it's a temporary fix, but it should last a long time, because that's a good idea to put that pin in there. That's a top view of that, and it just stays in there. You know, it's a fix until the motor goes, or I get a new motor and just install it. So I hope that helped somebody. Band-aid. And if that happens, it's a little quick fix. If you keep a file in your car, if it happens when you're driving and you can't drive in the rain, pull that file out, grind it down, pop it back in. Hope that helps somebody.